Hey everybody, tonight we're bringing you some pork belly burnt ends. We're going to cube up some nice pork belly over here. It's going to be 1.5 to 2 inch pieces, and we're going to coat it in some seasoning. Leave it to dry overnight. You know, some of that, there's a lot of salt in this. There's sugar too, but there's a lot of salt, and that salt is going to draw out a lot of the moisture from that meat. And we want it to be nice and dry when we put it on the smoker. It'll be a lot better quality. So stick around. We're going to show you how it's done. Okay, first we're going to open up our pork. We're trying to be as thin as possible. We're going to cut from the top, throw it away quickly, and pat it down. Okay, now we're going to score the marks where we want to cut so it's easier, so we have a little bit of symmetry to our madness over here. All right, we got our cubes all seasoned up. We're going to put them in the refrigerator overnight. We're going to let them get a little dry in there with the refrigerator air. And we're going to smoke them in the morning, see how long they take. I'm thinking maybe 6-8 hours. We're going to see. To get them really nice and tender. So stick around, we're going to show you the whole process. Hey everybody, so it's been about 2 days. We've been having our pork belly sit in the fridge. It's been nice and dry in there, nice and cold. It's nice and dehydrated over here. It's looking pretty good. It's ready for the smoker. What we're going to do is we're going to set up a low to medium heat, and we're going to set this up for low and slow. We're going to shoot for about 250 degrees. Expect to maybe cook them for maybe 3 to 5 hours or so, and then we're going to put them in the foil pan. We're going to wrap them tight, and we're going to make a little concoction that we're going to show you here in a second. Okay, stick around. We're going to fire up the grill and put these on. Okay, we're going to set up an indirect cook. We're going to put some charcoal off on one side and then put our meat on the other. We're going to be using apple wood. And we're just going to give it a kiss of flame and then let it kind of carry its own steam. We don't want it to get too hot, so around 225, 250 is where we're aiming for. If it gets up to 275, that's okay, but we're aiming for a little bit lower. These are about 180 degrees. We are going to make our little sauce right now. We're going to stick them in the foil pan and just baste them for maybe an hour or so. They're at 180 right now, so we want them to get about 200. And then when they reach 200, we're going to take the foil off the top and we're going to let them just caramelize a little bit. We're going to get a little bit of smoke flavor in them. They're going to be way better than just taking them off and serving them when they're still hot. So stick around for the last step. Hey everybody, okay, so we got our pork belly right here. It's ready. It's been braised. It got caramelized. It's smelling amazing. We're gonna go in there with a taste test now. Here, we're just gonna check it out first. Here, check this piece out. Here. Check that glaze out. That's nice and caramelized. Once we took that cover off. Oh yeah. Watch this. Nice. Completely tender pork belly. Oh man, definitely like ribs, like bacon ribs, kind of bacon rib candy. Very good, very easy. The whole time we cooked this was maybe 4 hours, maybe 5 hours. Pretty easy to prepare. You know, just get your pork belly nice and seasoned up. You can let it sit in a dry refrigerator overnight. Draw out the extra moisture. You know, cook it a few hours on low and slow heat, and then once it's reached temperature, or it looks good, put it in one of these foil pans. Wrap it tight. Add that barbecue mix in there. You can kind of make it whatever you want. And you know, after it's braised a little bit, take the lid off, let it caramelize, and you end up with something delicious like this. This is definitely going to be a party favorite over here. We're going to basically eat this up tonight. We'll see. But super easy. Thank you for watching, and make sure you're subscribed. God bless.